Oi! Oi, man! The fucking derelict buildings, man. I don't know. I'm so British. I'm so British, man. I'm so fucking British, you fucking cunt, man.
Funny, Be gay, do crime.
Republicans think those are synonymous.
I love and hate graffiti. Like, I think being gay, do crime is hilarious.
One day I will destroy them all. Mm-hmm. It looks like a sewing machine.
That's a hell of a sewing machine.
Yeah, that's a. Is there any left in there? No. Oh, there's a barn over there. Ugh. Oh, it's still liquid. There's a bucket of pitch over here or something. Ugh. Oh, deep penetration. Ugh. Ugh.
I feel like we might have discovered this bucket of crap. It was like tar, roofing tar.
Ugh.
They made a video.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's like brown separating. The drugs. This is.
I'm an arms dealer, you see.
Yeah, this is where we arrange the meetup.
We test our munitions and we arrange meetups here.
Yeah, that's a gun turret. What the hell happened on this couch? The stuffing looks melted. Oh, it's just dew. I just got every disease in the world. Out in these places, there's always this smell in certain areas, like rotting milk or something. You find that?
Yeah, I mean, that's just like the smell of rotting things, I guess.
Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Are you serious? Are you actually joking me right now? I just found this candle over here, and it's so hot today that it's squishy.
Let me feel it.
Oh,
That's so cool.
yeah.
Look at that. Deformation.
Yeah, it's like,
It's unburned. Someone bought this at like Bed Bath & Beyond for $20 and I didn't use it.
yeah, it's a perfectly good candle, but that's, it's like Tintin and the Shooting Star.
This is like when they're actually like making those really intricate carved candles.
Yeah.
Keep it this temperature to carve it.
Yeah, that it got that way from being out in the sun. You think about like frying eggs on the sidewalk and stuff. That can't be good for us to stay out in for very long. We're gonna do some mining and some crafting. Yeah, come with me over here, where the black slime is. It's right here, and it's liquid.
Maybe
Yeah.
it's just tar.
Yeah, it's. I'm pretty sure it's like roofing tar or something. Mom said it must have been roofing tar.
I want to eat it.
I don't. It's tar that's been out here for years, probably.
I guess this is the petting zoo area.
Yeah, but now it looks more like. Now it looks more like tool slang. That's terrible. Will Nippard's Saloon. I'm going in to meet Will Nippard. This place is huge! And it's full of insults. Fuck Porter. That's like a video store shelf over there. And there's Satanist paraphernalia over here.
I love Satan. I can't get enough of him. Who the hell defeated that?
That's the code. Oh. Oh no. It was probably a phone number. Okay, yeah. You're never gonna know what that was. And I'm following you to get away from the Nazis out here. What the fuck?
that everyone takes pictures of and puts on Instagram and gets like, I don't know, 120 likes or something.
These plants are so intimidating. They look like they should sting you when you touch them, but they don't.
Sweet, I have a nice little countertop.
Shade, glorious shade. Yeah. I just suddenly realized I probably shouldn't be so blindly trusting of these metal platforms. Yeah. Yeah, all this stuff is 30 plus years old. God. Why are there so many colors? What are you trying to tell me? Yeah. You're enlightened by the Oculus. And another fuck you directed towards somebody on the wall back there.
Will. I thought that was a sentence that was incomplete, but I think it's just will.
I will 2020 the fuck out of you. I will give you COVID-19 and I'll have Russia nuke you. Because that almost happened in 2020. And inject you with murder hornet venom. Look, these stairs are soft. These stairs are soft. I think so. Well, not us specifically.
With a penis right next to it. An ass on the other side. This place is not very romantic.
I think that's a peace sign. Oh God, Vienna sausage can. You could surf on that deck. Ugh, get off.